It's a rainy Sunday. And we are all getting ready for a walk, huh, guys? Hi, Sassy. Hi, Emma Pug. You looking at the camera? No, not anymore. So, with pugs, you always got to carry one of these. Take it to my boogies. Are you ready? Come here. Oh my goodness. So we did get the 360 all set up. It's all ready to go. Lens covers and everything are all set. I'm going to have Daddy help me with the first time using it though. And Sassy. Hey, let's see if this thing will turn around. I'm going to... Aha. Hey, Emma will. It's all fogged up. This is what Sassy does. She fogs everything up. She breathes heavy because she's excited. I got keys. Yep. Alright. Come on, turkey. And then we got Sassy. She's such a good girl. What are you doing? Emma Pug does not like the rain. Come on. We're going for a walk. Come on. Come on, silly. Emma Lou, come on. Come on. I know it's raining. She reminds me of Kiwi the pug. If you don't want to potty in the rain, raise your paw. And it's her right there, huh? That's all. Hey, come on. All right, gotta lock the door. Hold on. This might be a short walk if I can get him to come. Come on. Come on. Oh, let's see if I can't. There we go. All right. And my pug. Ruh-roh. This might be a disaster. Getting them all wrapped up. All right, come around the pole, baby. Come around. Come on. Oh, she is not happy. She's not a happy pug. It's raining, Mama. It's raining. Silly goose. Sassafras. Yep, phone's all wet. Oop. So we were looking online at obstacle course ideas. I may have to purchase like the tunnel thing. Come on, Em. Oh shoot, she's going around the other side. Oh. Come on, turkey. Oh, she is so upset right now. Oh, you're so funny. Come on. You want to come sniff the tree? She says, Mommy, if you're going to have me out here, can you at least let me sniff around? All right, just make sure that there's no other doggy number twos kicking around because people don't pick it up. Sassy, stay out of the puddle. Oh, I think Emmy's going pee, so we'll give her some privacy. I'll watch Sassy for a minute. Hey, Sassy. Sassy. Sassafras. What are you doing? Oh, look, they're both looking at the car. Like, all right, come on, guys. Come on. No, we're not going to the car. Come on. They're still looking. Come on. They hate the rain. All right, guys, I'm going to put this up. See, look, they went back to the car. No, we're not going back to the car. So I'm going to put this up for today. If this is your first time here, please like, share, subscribe. It really helps out a lot. We love you all, and we hope to see you soon.